All right, so we are recording now. Now, if you want to check if a column is a foreign key, you need to go to the table, as you can see here. So let's say registrations table. Then you can see constraints. So if you click on constraints, you would see the columns that are foreign keys and the primary key. Of course, the first one is the primary key. Do you get that, IJ?
Yes, I do. Let me check.
So please just confirm that if track is a foreign key or it's not a foreign key. All right, Ibrahim and Ismail Alpha.
I'm sorry.
So I have an issue from my end here. I want to run the what's it called? The queries that I've entered, but my running functions here, they look faded as opposed to how they should look black. So I cannot execute I cannot execute the query.
What do you mean faded? I'm coming. So sorry, Ismail. I'm not getting you. What do you mean they look faded?
This place sign above our screen, at the top of our screen, yes, that you're clicking on at the moment. It is so faded that I cannot perform the option it seeks to perform. That is, I cannot run.
Click it. Is that what you can't click it? It's unclickable.
Yes, sir.
That's interesting. Is this a new challenge or you experienced it has been since the start? Is this a new challenge or you've been experiencing this since?
This is the first time I'm seeing this, sir.
Okay. Can you, I don't know, you might need to restart your Postgres. I'm just, because that's actually the first time I'm hearing that. I've not heard that kind of content before. You might want to start your Postgres and see that's... Okay, Ibrahim, Alpha, what about you?
My answer is no. The Nigerian copyright law does not allow content creators to use
Mr. Dams, I can't find anything.
I've updated my table, I think.
So confirm you have 9 columns. Confirm you have 9 columns. IJ, I'll tell you. Ibrahim, confirm you have 9 columns.
Okay. I have it. I have to add one.
Which one?
Email address.
Okay, so add email. All right, IJ, Alpha.
Yeah, I cannot find constraint.
I
can't find constraint on my. And it's odd because this thing that is displaying on your own, the column, the track and all, is actually not displaying on mine now, except I'm opening the wrong table. I don't know. I can't find it.
Where is the let me look for student. This is student table here. So look at, can you see what I'm doing here on my Explorer?
Yes.
So under students, you will see columns, then you see constraints. So if you click on this arrow, the constraint should pop up. So you should see 2 constraints: the primary key, which is the student's ID, then the track ID, which is the foreign key. Can you see that?
Okay. Let me check.
Okay.
Just
where is that board? Abubakar, what happened to you? Why did you come late?
Okay, yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, good. Abubakar, why did you come late? You are raising up your hand. I can see your hand. Yes, you can.
No, it's not a foreign key.
I want to do something, that's why.
Okay. It's not a foreign key, right? Okay, so do you know how to add a foreign key? Do you know how to add a foreign key? Do you know how to create a foreign key?
No, not sure.
But you know how to create a new column, right?
Yes, Yes.
So create a new column first. Create a new column. You can make it integer. Make it integer. You can make it not null.
Okay. All right.
So when you put
Not what?
null, not null. Do you know what not null means? What is null? What is null? What does null mean? What does null mean?
Sorry, earlier, can you retype what we typed earlier so that I can completely update our tables?
Which column? Which column?
For as in the table for the tracks and the instructors, right? Then the registration table.
Okay.
Thank you.
So not null, IJ, just for you, null means empty values. We've discussed this before. So when we say not null, we are saying that the column should not accept null values. That's just what it means.
I didn't get you.
What null means empty, right? Null means empty.
Yes.
Right? So when we
Yeah.
say not null, we are saying that what's it called? We are saying that the column should not accept null values. It must not accept null values.
Okay. So what am I adding?
Make it first create the column. First create the column.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I can hear
This is
you. I
network
can hear.
now. Okay. Okay. So I did add new column to text student table, alter table, text students, add. So what am I adding? Track ID and email, right?
I don't know. You know your table, right? So you know the columns that are missing. Just add them. You understand? So you can also make this not
Okay,
null.
I'm sorry. Let me understand. What are the columns are actually expected to be on the table?
Look at it. Can you see that? What I'm showing you for the students table? Look at the columns here. So check and correspond with your own. Just check with your own table. Are the columns up to date? If yes, then you move to the next table.
Phone
If no,
number,
then you update. Ibrahim and Ismail, Alpha.
email. Do I have phone number? Let me check. I'm not sure.
So I have updated the table.
Your student table is up to date, right? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you have track ID as a foreign key.
Track ID. No, sir.
Please, guys, look at it. It's a track ID, which is a foreign key. So please add it.
Mr. Dams, I already have track. Should I now add track ID?
Yes, you will need to delete that
Because
track.
if I add track
You need to
ID
delete.
and phone number, my table will be 10 columns.
Yes, you will need to delete track.
How do I do that?
Who wants to help IJ with the syntax to delete? How do you delete
The
it?
email will be virtual, right?
Which one?
The email.
Yes, virtual. You can see. Aliyah, do you want to help IJ? How do you delete? You can drop the syntax on the chat. Let me see. Wait, someone is playing radio. Oh, I don't know if radio or TV.
So sorry, Sam, be on.
Okay. Please kindly unmute your mic, or maybe you want to reduce that. You know we are recording this, and when other people are watching, and even during the class now, that's also not so nice. Okay. Alpha with the syntax. Where is Epion? Oh, Father Lord, Father Lord. This guy is giving me some.
Okay, auto student table.
Giving me some. Alia or Abubakri, can you drop the syntax for delete? Delete a column. How do you remove a column?
Delete which column do you want to delete?
Is a column.
Which column do you want to delete?
Track.
Sir? Okay, delete from tracks. Where track ID, like you now put the track ID of the column you want to delete. Where track ID equals, as soon as track ID 1, then delete from tracks where track ID equals then the column number and the track ID number, sorry.
So Alia, you're making a mistake.
Yeah,
Right? We are working on the students table, not the tracks table. There is a column. There is a column called. There is a column called track which they want to remove. Do you understand? How do you remove the track?
I don't get your question. I want to delete.
You just
Which
press
column do you want to
something to the chat box.
Okay, let me explain it to you. So you guys are don't get it confused. Now, I can see a lot of you are using delete.
So can I say something?
Okay, yes.
So can you just alter table, the name of the table, then drop that particular column?
Thank you very much. So if you are getting it confused because I'm saying delete, and that was deliberate, right? I actually delete. So we are deleting a column, not a record. It's when you're deleting a record, I think I saw a syntax on the chat. I think that was a smile. That is when you use this syntax. If you want to delete a record or remove a record. But if you are dealing with columns, just alter the table, then drop the column. That does the trick.
All right, sir.
Alia, do you get that? Where's your name? Six.
Yes, sir. I get understand.
Where is Alia and Efion? Even Vivian has not joined the class. Yeah. Efion. Where is IJ? Is IJ here? Yeah.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm trying to create the column now. She said I should create more columns and add those ones.
No, you can proceed. Only one person gave me reached out before the class started for being available. That's Anna. So I expect Vivian. I expect Efion. Where is that Efion? All right. So, Ibrahim Alpha, are we done with our? Do you know how to create the foreign key, Ibrahim and oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you drop the syntax?
To create a foreign key?
Yes. In chat. Drop it in chat.
Okay.
So Ibrahim, I want to believe you have 9 columns and it matches with what we have on the screen.
9 columns.
Should be 9. Should be 9.
Yeah, it is 9.
Thank you very much. Okay, please drop the syntax. Drop the syntax for foreign key.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, can you guys take me through that delete column again? Sorry.
Don't worry. No one should talk. No one should talk. Just do what you're doing. Ibrahim, please send the chat. IJ, look at this.
Okay. Is there a semicolon at the end?
Yeah, to terminate the query.
Okay. Okay, so I can run it. Can I run it?
Yes, you can. Thank you very
Okay,
much,
successful.
Ibrahim. So Ibrahim has dropped the syntax for the foreign key. Ismail, Alpha, what about you? Do you have 9 columns? Abakwi, please, I want to be
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Do you have Abakwi, do you have all these columns on your own table?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There's a lot to cover.
Okay.
All right, so
All right.
that means student table, we are all good for student table, right? Let's proceed. Instructors.
No, I'm not done. No.
Don't worry, just continue. You meet up. Instructors, let's see. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns. Let's confirm. Abu, Ibrahim, Ismail, Aliyah. Let's confirm. Instructors. Now, take note, your column names might not match my own exactly, but they should mean the same thing essentially, right? They should mean the same essentially. Ibrahim, Ismail, Alpha.
Sorry, sir, what are we doing next?
Instructors.
We should update our instructor table.
Yes.
Okay.
It may not match the exact column names, but they have to be the same. They have to mean the same thing, right? Ismail Alpha. Okay, so let me do this real quick.
I need to drop. Sir, I want to ask that. Do I need to drop some columns to fit into what I'm seeing on your screen? Because what I have currently is 7.
What columns do you want to drop?
Okay. I need from your own screen, I can see that you have salary, years of experience, and track ID, but I don't have them yet. Yet I still have 7 columns.
You just
hello, sir.
Okay, you have 7 columns, but you don't have these ones, right? Okay.
Yes, I don't have these ones.
In that case,
I have 7 columns.
Go and drop them. Make sure it matches with them.
All right, sir.
All right. Ali, how far? Does it tally?
I have 7 columns.
Abu, does it tally? Abu Bakri, does it tally?
I'm come down, check, sir.
Yeah, please check. So what I'll do is this. I'll just drop the tags here, right? So that if your columns are up to date, you can just start working.
Mr. Dam.
Yes, please.
You have track ID on your own, but I have specialization. I have salary.
There's salary. Salary is on my own too.
But I don't have track ID, but I still have 7.
Yes, sir.
So what is the seventh one? If it's not track ID.
Okay.
Phone number.
That one is secondary. That one is secondary. You can leave phone number. Just see. What I'm actually after is Ismail. What I'm actually after is
Yeah.
your table should have all these columns. You can have extra. That's paparazzi. It must have all
Okay,
these
so I do not necessarily need to drop
columns, but you
those
need to have
ones.
these columns here. So if you have now, take note, I'm saying it again, it must not match the exact name, but they have to mean the same thing so that if you're running a query, you know what you're running, right? So even if you have like phone number now, you have something else, but if you don't have salary, just add salary to it. If you don't have track ID, add track ID to it. Do you get that?
Okay.
Right. That's what I'm after. It could be more
All right.
than these columns, but these columns have to be there. Abubakar, do you get that? Aliyah, do you get that? IJ,
Yes, sir.
how far with your own student table, IJ?
Sir,
You have,
still on it though.
you have, okay. Now, so you can have more than 9. IJ, do you understand? You can have more than 9, but those 9 that we listed should be there. All right.
So all these columns is giving me issue. It's not working.
What's the issue? Look at the syntax now. Look at the syntax to add columns here.
Yeah.
And I think
That's what I'm doing.
somebody dropped what's it called? The syntax for um foreign key. I don't know what that's called. If you check the chat, you will see the syntax for foreign key. What is your challenge?
Sorry, Mr. Dan.
Yeah, what's your
Mr.
challenge?
Dan's. It's showing me line 3, add column track ID, int, not null. Error. Syntax error at or near
Yeah,
add.
read the error. Go and continue. Near at what? There should be a line or a number, a line.
Yeah, there's a red line under the last D.
Go and check it.
To the
It is actually
and
just a
the
mistake.
word.
Just go and check it. Go and check it. It is probably you are missing a comma, you are missing maybe a column name or something. Go and check it well.
Track ID phone number.
When you look at your error message will give you a clue of where the error is coming from. So you can now go to your query and look at it. Okay, it is telling me there's an error around this place. They look at it, just be looking at it from that line, then you should be able to identify the error. It could be a comma, it could be that you didn't put the data type properly, stuff like that.
Sometimes I've updated my social script, but then it's track ID.
As a foreign key, track ID as a foreign key.
Yes, sir.
Good. So you can insert values into it, you understand, just to ensure you have values, some values there. So you can insert records into it. If I'm not mistaken, that should be you should have no for everything, right? So you just insert values. Now let me say this also, guys, as you are working, please listen. As you are working, listen. When you are adding values into a foreign key, ensure that those values exist in the parent table. Let me take that again. When you are adding values in your foreign column, your foreign key column, ensure that those values exist in the parent table. Now look at my own instructors table. I have track ID, I have 3, I have 5, I have 7. 3, 5, and 7, they are the track IDs in the track table. Do you get that, please? Let me know if you understand that. You can give a reaction or just talk. Do you understand this explanation?
No, I don't understand. Mr. Dams is still giving me the same.
So
He's
you are
telling
still
me
you are still
column
on
phone
test
number
table.
of relation
IJ,
student
IJ, calm
contains
down.
not null value.
IJ, we'll get to your home, please. Don't worry. I will sort it. Those who are on the instructors table, do you understand what I just said now?
Come again, sir.
Father Lord. You are working when you are adding records to a foreign key column, right? A foreign key column. Ensure that the values you are adding exist in the parent table. Do you get that? Now, look at my own foreign key, track ID. What are the values? What are the values for this track ID?
I can see
357.
57.
357. If you go and run, let me just quickly show you. If you run the tracks column, you will see that those are the primary, those are the IDs that exist there. I think so. Yeah, 357. Can you see it now? So if you don't go, don't put a random value for a foreign key. That is wrong. Do you get what I'm saying now? Ismail, Ibrahim, Abu, and yeah, do you get that? Okay. So Aliyah V has entered the class. I think we have two Aliyahs now. Let's see. I think she left again.
Mr. Dams.
So IJ, yes, what is the issue going on? Let's sort your own out. Let's sort your issue. What is the error? What is the challenge?
Mr. Dams.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's showing me column phone number of relation. Student contains null values.
You know what? Send me a screenshot of your error on my DM. Send me a screenshot of your error. Or you can send it on the data analysis group so everybody will see it. We can all learn from it.
Mr.
You
Dams.
send you what?
Send the screenshot on the data analysis group. A screenshot.
Okay.
Mr. Dams.
Yes. Who called Mr. Dams now? Ali, was that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I
said that why is it that on our phone number column? On our phone number column, when I wrote my phone number, like the phone number 080, the first zero is not showing.
That is a default behavior for this numeric stuff. That's the first zero, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a default behavior for this numeric stuff.
So assuming we use like virtual or integer, so the first zero will show.
No, if you use virtual, that would work. IJ, please send a screenshot on the group. I think there's a way you can go around this, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just confirm that real quick. You can just use virtual if you want it to show, but of course, I mean, it's just the default behavior of this numeric. But if you want to use virtual, fine. If you want to leave it like that, it's still fine. IJ, did you get that? Okay, I think you've sent it already. Okay, Aliyah is in a network. Oh, okay. Okay, network. Okay. Yeah. IJ, how far now? Send your what's it called?
Yeah, I'm trying to send it.
Let's see what the error is. Ismail, Ibrahim, what's the update? Are we good to go for instructors table? Are we good to go? Do we have all these columns?
Yes, sir. I have all my house columns.
Track ID, phone number, salary, email, checked?
Yes, sir.
Checked.
Yes.
Ismail, what about you? So Ibrahim, try to put in some records if there are no records there. Do you understand?
Oh, okay. Random records, right?
Random records, but your track ID must not be random record. I just explained that. It has to match.
Yeah, I understand that.
What you have on your track table. Ismail, what about you?
Almost there, sir.
Okay. So at last week, you guys were ahead of the physical students, but this week they're ahead of you guys, and that's why I want everybody to be on the same page. I don't know if I told you guys, next week we're using a different database. We're using the Titanic database, for our in-class tasks, right? So
Mr. Dams, I've sent. Sorry
will,
for interrupting.
this week will be the last time we'll be using this bootcamp database. And that's why everybody has to be on the same page. So let's look at the error. Phone number of relation student contains null value. What are you trying to do actually? What are you trying to run now?
I'm trying to add to the student table.
Okay,
The phone number,
I
ID,
get it.
email.
Now what does the error say? What's the error saying?
Column phone number of relation student contains null values.
What do you understand from that
Yes.
statement? That error statement.
It does not contain any value. There's no value there.
Not really, not necessarily. What does null values mean?
Empty.
Empty values, right?
Yes, empty.
So what is telling you that in the student table, the phone number column, there are empty values in that column. Do you get that? That's what it's saying.
Okay, but I've not even created the column yet.
Actually, so apparently there is a phone number column in your student table. Apparently, that's what it's saying. So the error is coming from. Look at line 114. What is line 114 say? Line 114. What is it saying?
Line 114. Line 114, where please?
Your query. What does it say?
Add column phone number.
Mm-hmm.
Virtual 50, not null. That's what it says.
Good. What are you trying to do there? You are altering a table, right?
Yes, I am.
And you are adding a column called phone number, right?
Yes.
And you are saying that column should not have empty values, right?
Mm-hmm.
Based on your query.
Mm.
But apparently, in your table, there are null values. So there is a clash, there is a conflict. Because as it is now, your table, your column, phone number has null values. And you are trying to run a query to say this column should not have null values. Do you get that?
Okay.
So that's where the error is coming from. It's like in your table, it is saying one thing. They are running your query is saying another thing. So if you want to adjust this, you can remove that not null from your query on line 114 and it should solve the error, it should solve the issue. Do you get it, IJ?
Okay, but yeah, I get you.
Okay.
Okay.
But what do you have any other question? You can ask if you have any other question.
Yeah, if not null. Okay, but can't I just use numeric?
For the phone number, no,
instead of using virtual.
You can use that. You can use numeric. That's fine. That's okay. The issue is not with the data type. I want you to understand the issue. It's not with the data type. The issue came from the not null because you already had null values. That's where the issue came from. It's not the data type. You understand that?
Okay, so which means it will still affect this track ID then?
No,
because the track ID is also not
track
null.
ID is a new column, all right? Did you have that before?
No, I don't. But
So
I don't have a phone number this column before.
okay, go and
It's
run
not my
run a select query on the student table. Let's see. Check yourself. Run a select query on the student
How
table.
do I do that?
Are you asking me how to run a select query?
Oh, sorry. And yeah, I've done that and it's displaying.
Can you send it to me, please? Let me see. Send me the link of your student table. Let me see.
Okay.
Ismail, Ibrahim, what's the update? Are you guys done with your instructor's table? We should go to the next one.
Yes, sir. I've added value to mine.
All right. So can we move to the next table?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
People cannot leave me behind, though.
You that they've left in 2020.
People want to leave me behind.
All right. So can we guys see the
That's
tracks
not
table?
fair. People want to leave me.
Can we see the tracks table, guys? Ismail, Abubakri, Aliyah.
Yes, sir.
So update your own. Update your own. You should have 5 columns. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 columns. Ismail, are you with us? Update your tables, please.
The thing is not helping me.
So Abubakri and Aliyah, if your tables are up to date, you can start working on the task. Let me just drop it. IJ, let me see your query.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm about sending it now to the group.
Okay.
Sent.
Okay.
Have you seen it, Mr. Dan?
Not yet. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's not forget to rejoin the meeting when it ends. Let's not forget that. Where is Daniel is coming from? These advertisements.